Hello, friends, welcome back. I hope you all had a very good new year and enjoying. Today, I have come with a different recipe. It's quick and easy. It's used with squid. It's actually called squid finger fries. Most of might have tried in the restaurants the style, and this would be really great to try at home too. This is half kg squid which I cleaned and cut it into ring shapes. So we are making squid rings, so definitely you have to cut it into ring shape. You can remove the head if you wish to. What I did was I initially cooked it everything, then whatever I wanted it for rings or crispy rings, I have taken it. So now we need a little bit of tamarind pulp. That's up to your taste. For half kgs of squid, you can actually use one lemon size tamarind and soak it in water and make it pulp. While cooking the squid, we will add this also. So this is tamarind, so this you can use it. Soak it in water and keep it aside. Squid, wash and keep it for draining. You can use a porous vessel so that all the water goes away, or use a towel to pat it dry. Meanwhile, we will start preparing the marination or the coating for this. This is Kashmiri chili powder, so take 1 or 2 teaspoons. If you need more, yeah, you can use, but I have used pepper for more taste, so I have reduced chili, so just for the coloring purpose. Turmeric powder we can use, or if you can, what you can avoid. Salt, yeah, definitely we need it. And this is corn flour. So corn flour is one thing would be there at home all the time. So we don't we want to make the squid little crispy, plus all the masalas. If you add corn flour, it will completely coat to the squid pieces properly. Just mix with a fork and see how the consistency. You don't have to add any water first, so just mix all the flour so that salt, chili powder and corn flour mixes well. Into this we will add 1 pinch of chaat masala powder. In fact, you can add 1 teaspoon itself, so that gives a rich flavor. If you like dry mango powder also, you can add. I have added ample of chaat masala to give a very different taste to this. Ideally, you can skip this also. If you don't like, you can add garam masala powder alone. But adding this will give a very nice taste to the squid rings. Mix all the dry ingredients. If you have black salt at home, you can use that black salt also. Mix all the dry ingredients. So now this is how it looks. I have not added turmeric actually. I didn't want that color, so I have not added. Now the pat dried squid pieces, you can add it into this dry flour itself and coat it. If you feel that you need more coating, what you can do is like use a egg white and beat it. Then first you can actually put squid rings in the egg white. Then after that you can take and put it in the flour and mix it like we do for the coating for the kebabs and all. So that way also you can use. Here I have not used egg whites, but you want it more coating, you can actually always prefer to dip it in egg white first, then the coating. Before keeping the marination in fridge, add some slices of ginger and garlic. It's just to give the taste while doing the deep frying. If you don't like garlic taste, you can skip also, but ginger gives actually nice taste. Now my marination is almost in the fridge, so this is the next day which I am frying it. Here actually there are 2 steps to follow. If you kept the marination, then you can actually pressure cooker it to half boiling the squid with tamarind pulp. So that way the squid would be cooked easier. then you can do the deep frying. So just that, don't add more water, but you can do it. Also, if you don't want to do that pressure cooker boiling, then what you can do is directly, like I showed here, while marinating itself, very thick tamarind pulp you can add, then you can directly fry it. Either of the ways you can do. I tried both ways and I found that pressure cooker boiling then frying would make your work easier. This is a great snacks. You can use as snacks or a starter. This tastes really good. I hope you all try this at home and enjoy the taste. Don't forget to add curry leaves also. Curry leaves actually, whenever we buy some kebabs or fries from the hotels or restaurants, you might have noticed while opening it, so you get that rich flavor. So if you add more curry leaves while frying, this actually gives rich flavor too. So our squid finger rings are ready. Enjoy the taste. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share with friends and family. Thank you.